Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into TARS protocol, an innovative AI-driven, scalable Web3 modular infrastructure platform designed to bridge the gap between AI and the Web3 world. TARS protocol empowers projects with cutting-edge artificial intelligence solutions and one-stop blockchain as a service BaaS. Launched to foster a seamless transition from Web 2 to Web3, TARS protocol aims to solve the integration challenges faced by developers, businesses, and individuals. TARS protocol offers a range of AI-powered tools and services that enhance Web3 projects, optimizing operations, enabling data-driven decisions, and unlocking new opportunities. The platform's multi-modular architecture allows developers to select and combine specific AI tools and services, fostering rapid development and adaptation to emerging trends. TARS protocol's composable nature ensures its AI tools can be easily combined and reconfigured, allowing developers to experiment and innovate to meet the ever-changing needs of the Web3 ecosystem. With a user-friendly interface and automation capabilities, TARS protocol makes AI adoption accessible to users of all skill levels, eliminating the need for complex programming. The platform's scalable AI solutions evolve with the demands of the Web3 ecosystem, offering seamless integration with popular Web3 platforms and wallets. TARS protocol supports multiple blockchain networks, enabling cross-chain compatibility and expanding the reach of AI benefits across various platforms. Technology and development. TARS protocol leverages advanced blockchain technology with a focus on security, efficiency, and scalability. The development team, consisting of experienced professionals, has laid out a clear roadmap with milestones aimed at continuous improvement and feature enhancements. Key features include scalable AI solutions, seamless Web3 integration, BaaS, cross-chain compatibility, and token utility. Market performance. While specific market performance details such as current market cap, total supply, all-time high, and all-time low prices are crucial, TARS protocol's innovative approach and community-driven growth indicate strong potential in the Web3 space. Advantages. TARS protocol offers numerous benefits, including low transaction fees, fast transaction speeds, strong community support, staking rewards, broad utility in dApps, governance rights for holders, scalability, robust security features, strategic partnerships, continuous development, environmental sustainability, liquidity, support for smart contracts, and cross-platform integration. Disadvantages, however, there are potential downsides to consider, such as market volatility, regulatory risks, security vulnerabilities, slow adoption rate, high competition, technology risks, liquidity issues, environmental impact, investment risk, limited real-world applications, centralization risks, speculative nature, complexity for new users, dependence on the development team, and legal compliance challenges. Community and adoption. The TARS protocol community is rapidly growing, with strong engagement and notable partnerships aimed at driving innovation and growth. Adoption rate and real-world use cases are steadily increasing, reflecting the platform's potential. Potential risks. Like any investment, TARS protocol comes with risks, including potential scams, unmet promises, lack of transparency, and no clear roadmap or future plans. However, transparent development updates, strong community support, practical use cases, and compliance with regulations enhance its legitimacy. Final thoughts and summary. In summary, TARS protocol presents a balanced view of risks and benefits, emphasizing community-driven growth and sustainable value creation. As always, do thorough research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. This video is for educational purposes only. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cryptocurrency updates. See you in the next video.